everybody, it's Damien and Avi here, and today guys we are going to be doing another video on Damien and Avi. So here we go guys.
We're going to do the marker challenge.
Yes, the marker challenge. So should we show them our squishies?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. So you want to tell them what you have?
I have a waffle Hello Kitty and an ice cream with a bow and a donut.
I have some popcorn because I want to go to the movies. I have some ice cream. And I have a cheeseburger. So, let's pop.
And here's our markers.
Yes.
So we can pick which one we're going to go like this.
Yep. We're going to be, not blindfolded, but we're going to have our head this way. So let's get into this video. But first, we need to play rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who can go first to pick. Here we go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock. Ready? Rock.
Paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock. Rock. Paper, scissors, shoot. You got me. You get to go first. All right, ready? Go. Turn your head that way. Oh, hold on there. No, Missy. Remember, if you're new here, to like and subscribe and click that notification bell. I said click it. Go ahead. Ready? Look that way. You gotta look that way. Ready? Look that way. All right, that's number 1. That's number 2.
3.
All right, my turn. Here we go. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2. Oh!
Go.
Let's go!
Let's do this. Be looking. Blue.
Oh! I liked it and I got the right one. I mean, I got kind of what I wanted. I wanted yellow, but...
I already got yellow.
What colors did you get, Abby?
Wait, so next round.
I got gray,
Okay, show them what you got.
green,
Yup.
yellow.
That's not bad. I can see you working with that stuff. What about you?
I got brown, so basically brown cone right down here. Popcorn.
Cool.
I guess I'm having blue popcorn.
So you
today.
think you guys are ready?
Okay, guys, here we go. We're gonna do this. Here we go. You ready?
Thank you.
Welcome. Here's a trick. If your marker's drying out, watch this. Shake it up. Watch this. You see how it's like that? It comes out red. Dark red. And that's what I need. Having burnt popcorn today at the movies, that's going to be an amazing time. Totally not pulling out some sarcasm.
Sleeping on the jaw. Alright, so far we're pretty close. We have our red right here.
And it's actually burned.
Yeah, that burnt it.
And I got lemon one.
Now this is number 1. I'm done. That's nice. We got the burnt
Mine is
here.
still not
We got
done.
the burnt popcorn that looks totally amazing.
Ready? Almost done. Guys, this is almost the end of round 1. Damien looks like he's got some popcorn with, or burnt popcorn. Damien's Obvious.
Patiently waiting.
1 hour later.
What are you doing right now while you're waiting?
That's what I say.
2 hours later.
I think I am done.
Okay, round 1 is complete. Which one will you guys choose? Yellow ice cream or the dirty popcorn?
Round 2! Let's go. Who's going up first?
Me.
Alright, Damien, you can see. Pick your first color, Mike.
Orange.
Oh, you got a good color. Just feel them out first.
Wow. This is like orange.
Alright.
Wait.
What? Alright.
Orange for the bun. Look at it. I need lettuce.
Dude, you're gonna make it.
Yeah, but
Where's my high five?
Oh,
three. Girlfriend. All right. What did you get?
I got pink, black, brown. Oh yeah. I'm making the brown chocolate. I mean the brown chocolate.
Alright, let's do this. Here we go, guys. We're gonna start coloring in 3, 2,
1.
go!
Go. Chocolate.
Check it is. Alright. We got this one.
I'm doing a purple one. It's actually
Nope,
chocolate one.
You know what's crazy? These are all donuts.
Yes, we're Dunkin' Donuts every day.
Pink dots on it so I can put little sprinkles on it.
I pick her up from daycare, and the first thing she wants to do is go get some donuts.
Alright, finish the top of my bun. A nice crispy orange. Alright, guys, let's put on the seeds. Little seeds on the cheeseburger.
Amy, you're getting creative.
And then, yeah, I actually that was like good.
What do you guys got going on here?
So right now, I have my cheeseburger. It's looking nice. Those little dots, I don't know what the heck they're doing, but I use them for seeds. My hands, RIP to them, rest in peace.
Whoa, it actually looks like the chocolate melted on it.
I'm gonna lick it off.
Yep. What? Look at this guy.
There you go.
Now it's official.
Here we go. I finished my cheeseburger.
I finished my donut.
Look at that. Let's see. All right, we're done with round 2. Okay. What's next? What do you guys have next on your menu?
I got my
What's that?
waffle.
Is that a Hello Kitty waffle?
Mhm.
Dude, that's so cool.
Hello Kitty waffle.
That is nice. And Damien's got
My ice cream.
ice cream.
We just finished round 2.
Who will win? Will you pick Aviana with donuts or Damien for cheeseburger? Oops.
Really?
All right, round 3. Oh, that's 4. 3. Fight. Oh,
The washable one's good.
yes, they are.
Little does you know this is permanent marker.
Wait, is it good?
Well, you're good. You want one too?
I want a little face right here.
Face one, like me? We'll make you look
Does it
like a
look
pirate. How's that? Okay. There you go.
Eugene.
I want to see it in the camera.
Show it to you later.
Do we look alike?
You guys should draw my mustache.
Oh.
Alright, hold on.
Okay.
There you go. I mean,
These two look alike, and now it's
alright, guys, we're gonna start now.
Round number 3.
Round number 3. Epic fail with my mouth. Alright, guys, let's do this. Yoink. Yes, my turn. Fell. Rip. The thing.
You're getting green. You're getting green.
Chill, why would you tell me?
Because you have green. That's too much.
I mean, it's great. It's close to the chocolate chips. Alright, guys, now I'm going to tell you my strategy. My strategy is I need a mint ice cream with the chocolate chips with the brown cone. I didn't get black, but I got this.
And
It's
I'm
close.
gonna have the middle side with the yellow.
Yellow on that, right?
I'm gonna switch.
Well, I mean, they're supposed to be yellow.
And I'm gonna put the pink in near this.
The bow?
Yeah, the one.
Alright.
And then I'm gonna put all the orange on there.
I'm going to comment down below who the winner of this round is. think this is my best one so far. Look at that. That's actually nice.
Mine is looking nice too. I think mine is pretty good.
Who's gonna win this round? This looks like a tie to me.
Well,
It's so good.
but mine is kind of like pretty.
You guys got lucky with these colors. Cause look at, you got the brown for the cone, the green for the ice
And
cream.
I got yellow, pink,
That's right, your bowl looks just like Hello Kitty's, and your waffle kind of looks a little orange. Dude, that looks so good.
and mine is still cooking up.
That's right. She's still cooking up.
I think
Doing pretty good.
out of all these, comment down below what you think your favorite out of all mine are. I think mine is going to be the ice cream because I love ice cream and it looks really nice. And then second, the burger, and then the popcorn.
I got my waffle, Hello Kitty waffle, and I got my chocolate donut.
Nice.
And I have my lemon ice cream.
out
That does look good.
Well, aren't you guys gonna dig in?
Yeah. Damien's gonna eat it. Oh, Damien, that's not real food.
Dude.
Now my turn.
Okay.
Jid, that's not real food.
Now I'm gonna eat the donut.
Is it better than Dunkin' Donuts?
Now I'm gonna start with the waffle.
Cheeto, get on with it. It's not real.
Alright guys, if you like this video, remember to subscribe,
And
like,
like it.
and click the bell.
Click the bell and put your thumbs up.
So, remember to
And
subscribe.
and remember to subscribe.
I mean, that was hilarious.
One. Remember to like and subscribe if you like this video, and click that bell. Click it.
I was gonna say that.
Alright, well, we had a fun time, made a big mess, but you know what? It's all about having fun.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Alright, guys.
We'll be back in another video. Peace.